Salvia, commonly known as sage, is a plant that has been traditionally used for various purposes, and its benefits can depend on the specific species. Here are some potential benefits associated with different types of salvia. Culinary use. Many varieties of sage are used in cooking for their distinct flavor. Sage adds a savory and earthy taste to dishes and is often used in stuffing, poultry, and other recipes. Medicinal properties. Some types of sage, such as common sage Salvia officinalis, have been used in traditional medicine for their potential health benefits. They are believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. Memory and cognitive function. There is some research suggesting that certain compounds found in sage, particularly in Salvia officinalis, may have positive effects on memory and cognitive function. However, the evidence is not conclusive, and more studies are required. Antioxidant effects. Sage contains compounds with antioxidant properties that may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are important for overall health and may contribute to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that sage may have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially beneficial for conditions associated with inflammation. However, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these effects. Digestive health. Sage has been traditionally used to support digestion. It may help alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Drinking sage tea is a common method for using sage for digestive purposes. Mood and stress management. Aromatherapy using sage essential oil is believed by some to have calming effects and may help reduce stress and anxiety. Inhaling the aroma of sage is thought to have mood-enhancing benefits. It's important to note that while sage has a long history of use, not all potential benefits have been scientifically proven. Additionally, individual responses to sage may vary, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using sage or any herbal supplement for medicinal purposes, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications.